In this lesson, we will see together direct object pronouns, but more precisely the pronoun nous. So what is a direct object pronouns? Well, I definitely invite you to have a look at my video covering this topic because it's really detailed and precise. But if we want to make it fast, then direct object pronouns in French are used to replace nouns that are directly acted upon by the verb. And the second thing that is important, the nouns are acted upon by the verb without any preposition. This is the reason why we call them direct. It's without any preposition. So in this lesson, we'll concentrate on nous, and the direct object pronoun nous is translated to us in English. Remember, nous can cover masculin, féminin, and it's plural. C'est pluriel. Masculin, féminin, pluriel. So we'll have 4 examples. Il nous voit tous les week-ends. Il nous voit tous les week-ends. Elle nous admire. Elle nous admire. Le professeur nous interroge. Le professeur nous interroge. Le film nous choque. Le film nous choque.